Hi. I have a surprise. Doo-doo! I finally got my earpiece. Finally, the long wait is over. Char. I've been wanting to do this since last year. Sa loob lang muna kasi I honestly don't think na kaya ko um, kasi ang dami kong consider. Gusto ko sana is flat or helix. Kaso 'di ba madumi yung paligid. Madumi yung paligid. So baka dito na lang muna ako. Look at it. It's so pretty. Tapos kanina bumili ako nitong new earrings ko. Ito yung magiging permanent earrings ko na rin talaga. Kasi very bagay nga sila. Diba? Bumili ako kanina sa Unisilver. 500. 510. Tapos itong mismong titanium earring 1,100. Tapos yung pagpapapierce ko 750. Shit, ang laki ng ginastos ko. Pero walang maingay. Finally got it. Then next sa me, nakapangako kay Irish na sasama ako dun sa event nila wherein magpapapierce ulit ako. Probably I don't know, baka magpa-second lobe na lang ako dito. Does that make sense? Or baka magpa-ano na nga ako, mag-cartridge. Pa-helix na nga ako. So, not yet decided, pero I got my new haircut done. I got my bangs done, and I got my ear pierced done. So, sa mga nakalist sa akin, where is it? Wait. Sa nakalist, here, nakadalawa na ako. Kasi sila yung easiest. Sa playlist. So, na-achieve ko na yung playlist number 2 and 3. Yung number 1 is not yet. And it's the saddest kasi, char. It's something na very emotional, it's something na kapag na-achieve ko siya, it's an emotional and mental achievement. So, yan. Oh my gosh. And then, meron ako dito, start jogging at morning. Probably this week, pwede ko na siya masimulan. And then, I also have here bike. So, wala na akong pera, guys. I'll be honest. Zero na. So, I don't think na makakabili ako ng bike. For as long as unemployed ako. And just to let you know, Lee, na currently, wala pa rin akong trabaho. Wala pa rin akong active na ina-applyan. Hindi pa rin ako active sa pag-apply. Honestly. It's a shame. I don't want to rest. Wala akong intention na magbakasyon. Pero wala rin ako sa proper mind to apply. Parang napaka-privilege ko, no? I know. I'm trying to get back on my feet each day. And right now, I feel like I'm stable. Kahapon and today, hindi tayo emotional. Right now, Ngayong araw hindi pa ako umiiyak. Oh my gosh. This is the first time. Oh my God, hindi pa ako umiiyak. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm just so happy. I'll be honest din na meron pa akong closure na gustong mangyari. Closure sa company, sa mga friends ko, especially kay Ian. Ano na akong gusto itanong kay Ian na very sensitive. Somehow gusto kong i-explain kina Casey and Rose kung bakit. Pero baka hindi rin kasi if I explain it, then they'll know everything. And I promise to protect that truth. And closure sa company kasi hindi ko pa rin nababalik yung gamit nila. So hopefully this week gusto ko may balik na yung gamit ng company. Gusto ko makita sa na Rose and makabanding sila for one last time. And sana magkaroon ng closure kay Ian. And ayun, that's my wish. And the rest of this is actually very mahirap ma-achieve. Example, learn to drive motor, learn to drive a car, get a license, go to Baguio, go glamping in Rizal, get a new job, complete all Taiwan requirements, and pass the civil service exam. So, those are the things na long process. And I can just achieve it in just one day. But hopefully, I will be able to in the next few months or weeks. I'll get back to you and then share you na, hopefully, finally, I already got the license. I already passed the exam. Ganun. I'm trying my best to survive, to be alive, and to get back on my feet.